Ciao, welcome to Beatspot. This video is sponsored by Lalals. I'm Marco.
And I have speed personalities. So Lalals is an online AI service that basically changes your voice, and we have a ton of options. So we have 1K plus AI voices, and we have it
trending AI voices like Drake, Tate McRae, Ed Sheeran, Ariana Grande. And so we also have some other characters or cartoons. So we have
like Angela Merkel, we have Kermit the Frog, Homer Simpson, Hank Hill, Almo, Dora, and
you can just filter by female or male and also choose the type, so rap, singing, and talking.
So now let's see how it works. So let's go to singers. Now let's pick a singer, for example, Ariana Grande.
So this is the interface. We have voice to voice, text voice, cover song. We also have these options like remove background and pitch. In this case, we aren't using any of those features. We're just going to upload. So here we have the source vocals for this video.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play? Just in case of you want me to stay.
This is a singer I recorded for a track of mine. So now let's upload it. Once it's ready, we're presented with these windows. So we have your vocals are ready. Ariana Grande singer, we can download it. We can also share it. So now let's play it.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play? Just in case of you want me to say. I don't need another man to tell me what to say.
So I did some tests and here's the whole verse split into different voices. So let's play it and let's see how all these voices sound.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play? Just in case of you want me to say. I don't need another man to tell me what to say. What if I choose myself over you? What if I decide to break all the rules? Guess you can say decision for me no more. I don't need to be overtaken by control.
So most of them sound really good. A few of them, like Rihanna and Shakira, presented some unpleasant artifacts, but I guess that with time they will train continuously their models so they sound better, or maybe it's just a matter of the source vocal I used, because
maybe the source vocals doesn't really fit the style of Rihanna and Shakira. That's understandable. One important thing when uploading a vocal to Lalals is that has to be clean.
so in this case, I just used a real time and then compressor, de-esser, a bit of transient shaping and soothe just to clean up the vocal. I didn't export the vocal with any kind of weird or
evident
creative effect. So now one thing might be, they sound like Britney, they sound like Ariana, but how will it sound with a different vocal? So I just wanted to take a scientific approach and test with a different way.
So I just picked the Ariana Grande voice and tried reconverting it into other voices. So we have Ariana Grande to Ariana Grande.
Then we have Beyonce transformed into Ariana Grande. Then we have Billie Eilish, Britney, Cardi B, all transformed into Ariana. So now let's see how they sound.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play? Just in case of you want me to say. I don't need another man to tell me what to say. What if I choose myself over you? What if I decide to break all the rules? Guess you can take decision for me no more. I don't need to be overtaken by control.
So they all sound quite the same. I cannot really tell the difference, except for Britney maybe, which is a bit high-pitched. But besides that, this model works great on all vocals. Even Cardi B, which is
a bit. Let's read it.
So now let's listen to the source vocal transformed into Cardi B.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play? Just in case of you want me to stay. I don't need another man to tell me what to say.
So while the whole expressions, the tone, the timbre is great, I mean, it really resembles Cardi B. It has some nasty artifacts. It almost sounds like it's being ripped off with an AI tool out of the instrumental. So we have that kind of artifact-ish sound. So now let's listen to Ariana Grande converted into Cardi B.
What if you can break me today? What if I take another play?
We still have the same problem, and that's probably because it's a song section and the Cardi B voice is tuned for rap. So I took another a cappella. So we have Carnival by Kanye West. Now let's see how it sounds.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy at the close. Eli with my rocket ship, it's time to go home. They served us the part since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off, gotta make a Drake the your.
So considering I extracted with an AI tool the Kanye acapella, we have a bit of ad-libs here and there, but we still have some artifacts.
But this sounds a lot better than the sound part, because this one is wrapped. I assume that's the reason why. So of course you can't make a song and release it and pretend you're Taylor Swift, Drake, or whoever. There are some limitation to how you can use this service or in general this kind of technology, and that's because
like in 2023, we had this ghostwriter making AI Drake and The Weeknd songs, and a lot of debates sparked from that. And it came out that you can't really use the likeness of someone else
For your own profit. That makes sense to some extent. So how would they use this kind of technology? So this is something you can use for memes. You can use it to present a demo, for example.
So let's say you're a beat maker, so you make beats. Maybe you also rap, but you want to present your work to a wider audience. You can try using
these service and sound like Drake and showcase your skills, but of course this isn't something that you can upload on Spotify, earn profit from it,
etc. You can have some fun, maybe you want to make a remix, so you download the acapella. Let's say you download the Kanye West acapella, but you want Cardi B singing the same song, so you can just transform it into Cardi B, and then you release it as a bootleg.
Probably some gray area maybe in the use of ad-libs. So maybe you want Drake making your ad-libs, so
you can try that because that's not a huge component of the song unless your song is entirely made of ad-libs.
Or you can try it for harmonies, choruses, vocal stacks. So let's say
I want to take my original source vocal and I want to pair it with Ariana Grande, Beyoncé, Ariana, because I want
multiple godly voices singing all together. So in that case, the individual voices aren't really distinguishable, but the tones, the timbres are great, so you can try blending them.
There might be other applications of this technology that I ignore at the moment, but it's really fun and interesting because
how reliable and consistent this particular AI is.
As we've seen with examples shown before.
If you're interested, you can find the link in the description down below. So hope you enjoy it and see you in the next one.
Who the fuck recorded this video until now?